amiguitos, soy Señorita B. Hey friends, I'm Miss B. Today we're reading Abuelita and I Make Flan by Adriana Hernández Bergstrom. Today is going to be amazing. Plan for today. Make the best flan for Abuelo's birthday. Here's my Abuelita, Abuelo, Mommy, and Teo. Here's me, Anita, and there's the flan. I've never actually made flan before, but I know it will be great. Abuelita usually makes the flan. She promised to teach me today. Abuelita always flips the flan onto this plate. It is from Cuba, and she's had it since forever before I was born. Oh no! Today is Abuelo's birthday and I've already ruined it. Maybe no one will notice? Abuelita! Is it flan time already? Sí, mi niña, let's start. But remember, flan takes time and paciencia. Abuelita has arthritis. It makes it hard for her fingers to close all the way. My hands are strong and I'm her best helper, usually. Here you see me helping her thread a needle, weeding, picking saffron for rice, cutting coupons, opening jars, undoing knots, securing necklaces, helping with laundry, and washing the dog. Abuelita reads the recipe aloud. Flan de queso, 3/4 taza de azúcar, 5 huevos, 1 latte de leche condensada dulce, 1 latte de leche evaporada, 1 cucharita de vainilla, 1 queso crema. I find the ingredients like a scavenger hunt. See, I can be a good helper. Eggs. Sugar. Ants can't open the fridge. Cream cheese. Evaporated milk. Sweetened condensed milk. Baking mold. And pan. A flan needs lots of eggs. Abuelita teaches me how to crack them. Your tia Abuela Marta had a recipe for a party flan that used 25 yemas and 2 pounds of sugar. She taught me to crack eggs like this, con cuidado. That means carefully. Flan cooks in a water bath to help it bake evenly. I turn on the water to fill the pan. I have to stir despacito para que no me salpique. That means that Abuelita needs to stir slowly so it doesn't splash her. Despacito, yes. I pour the sugar and Abuelita makes the caramel. In Cuba, tu bisabuela hacía un flan de coco de lo más deliciosa. I love coconut. We pour the mix into the mold. Together we close the oven door and do a little dance. Together we wait and wait and wait. Did I ever tell you the story of the plato de cristal? Tu bisabuela Catalina bought it for our 5-year anniversario after your abuelo. Do we really need to tell that story on my birthday? Ven conmigo, Anita. I have a better story. Did I ever tell you I was a judo master? What? For real? Sí, for real. Mira, this was in Cuba. Abuelo, that's you! Can you teach me to flip someone like that? Es posible. Help Abuelita flip the flan first, then we ask your mama. The flan is almost done. We need Abuelita's special plate, but it's in a million pieces. I can't keep this secret any longer. Wait! ¿Qué pasa, mijita? I am sorry, Abuelita. I was so excited to make flan that I wanted to see the super special plato de cristal you always use from Cuba from Bisabuela Catalina. But when I went to see it, my chancleta slipped and I lost my balance and I grabbed the doily and everything came down and the plato broke. I didn't know how to fix it for Abuelo's birthday. I hope you still love me. I know it was special. Mi cielo, I'm glad you told me. Abuelo will love the flan no matter what because it's made with love. A plate is a plate, but you are irreplaceable. Abuelita sets the flan to cool. About that plato. Abuelo broke the original, taking it out of the box at our wedding in front of everyone. This one was a replacement. ¡Qué pena! All in front of tu mamá. She had just given it to us. I have a new plan. What about that plate I made for Grandparents' Day? Abuelita takes my special plate. I hope it works. ¿Tiene idea, Anita? Uno, dos, y... We make a great team. ¡Feliz cumpleaños! Happy birthday, Abuelo! Later, Gators, learn, grow, and let the stories flow. And if you want to try to make flan yourself, check out the recipe here. Don't forget, like and subscribe.